Good morning, everyone. We have another client's vehicle here today, 508D. Quite a nice van, quite original, not botched. The client asked me to do some of the rust on it. So first of all, this corner, at first look, it looks kind of okay, but when you start to go into detail, you can see that the bumper folded here and it wasn't pulled back straight quite well enough. And here, this corner, it's some filler is coming loose. We see some cracks here. This line is also not perfect. Here, another fold in the bodywork. And when we look inside, we can see there and there, I guess, some body filler coming through a couple holes. So I will make this right, and I also take care of all the rust before it spreads too far. So here at the bottom, here as well, and here inside before it spreads too much. So yeah, nice 508 and taking care of the rust before it spreads further.